Now we're in Module 6 of the CumulusCI Trail. And we drop down to it. This is what you've got. And the first step is creating an implementation project. Then we're going to add the customizations they want to do and then install it. So let's go through them one by one. The first one is we're going to be dropping in here and we're going to build a GitHub repository. So let's do that. So we're going to open GitHub desktop. That's this one. So two options to create a repository. The first is to click File, New Repository. Or we can also go here to the current repository and say we're going to add a new repository. The repository name is Food Bank Implementation. Description is Maddie's Food Bank. I'm going to go in from here. What I'm going to say is we're going to create a new one, which is GitHub Food Bank Implementation. And we're going to be ignoring both of these. And then what happens right now is, oh, this is too small, is what's going on. So as I drag this down, I get to create repository. So I can create the repository from here. I'm going to close it just back up just for now, make it easier for me. We do get a right drag bar, which is good. Next, we're going to set up CumulusCI for the implementation project, just like we did for the managed package project. So we're going to first make sure that we're in, this is the current repository, and we're going to open it using repository Open Visual Studio. It comes up. Do you trust them? Yes, because it happens to be me. So I'm going to trust the authors. Going to come here. So we're in the food bank. And what we're going to do is go to a new terminal. So a new terminal. We're going to load CCI project init. And answer the questions. First, the default project, we can just accept it, name, yes. We can also use the default package name. Is this a managed package? No. We can use the default API version and then use the default SFSDX. And are you extending another CumulusCI project? We're going to say here yes. And the selection here they said is 2. And then it says accept all of these. So with our branch main, we're going to take feature, we're going to go beta, we're going to go release, this %test thing. Do you want coverage, minimum code percentage, and then we're back. Then to connect CCI to our dev hub, we're going to enter this. And again, I'm just following the instructions in the trail. And then what it says, we've got to enter a username. What we're entering is CCI Dev Hub. And there is already a Dev Hub default service. Do you want to override it? We're going to say yes. We see the prompt regularly, but I'm assuming that all works. There's a default service. This for service type Dev Hub. Would you like to use this as the default? We're going to say yes. And then we're finished this point. Let's stop there, and then we'll move on to the next chunk, adding dependency packages in the next video. Thanks.